Rough at dry looking ang skin mo? Before ka mag-scrub ng mas madiin, try something gentler. Here's what we're going to use. 1 tablespoon rice flour. Gives the mixture and slightly grainy texture that helps remove some surface dryness. 2 tablespoon body wash. Ito ang main cleansing ingredients para matanggal ang sweat, dirt, and excess oil. 1 tablespoon honey. Help make the mixture feel less drying and leave the skin feel softer. 1 tablespoon baby oil. Add and help reduce the tight or dry feeling after washing. Add everything into a clean bowl and mix well. Ang goal natin is a creamy texture na madaling i-spread, not super gritty. If it feels too rough, don't scrub harder. Add a little more body wash para maging gentler. Wet your skin first, then apply a small amount. Gently massage it into your arms, legs, elbow, knees, or heels. Dahan-dahan lang, no need to scrub hanggang mamula ang skin. Then, rinse thoroughly and gently pat your skin dry. After rinsing, your skin may feel cleaner, smoother, and softer to the touch. Rice flour help with surface exfoliation, while honey and baby oil can help your skin feel moisturized. But don't expect one shower to dramatically change your skin tone or texture. For me, the goal is simple, clean, comfortable, and smoother feeling skin. Gently and consistent care usually makes more sense.